Hello insiders! In today's video I'm going to share with you 5 unique follow-up steps that we do to create raving fans by using giveaway contest. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Iva Berghmann, mindset trainer, action coach and business strategist, and on this channel you'll find proven tips and tools that will help you grow your business and influence. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Last week I did a material called How to Create the Perfect Giveaway with No Budget, and I told you that what elevates the value of the giveaway contest is what you do after the contest. That is why today I'm going to share with you 5 unique follow-up steps that we do to create raving fans by using giveaway contests. And if you didn't manage to see that one yet, no worries, I'll post a link so you can watch it later. The number one thing that we do, as others as well, is to send a private message to the winner. It's important to do it right away. We've discovered that many of our contestants are waiting on their phone, by their phone, to see if they won the prize. We make this message very special, having no expectation at all. The reason I'm saying this is because some of our winners are as excited as we are and some are not. Some are joyful, happy, thankful, and some are not. We take people as they are and treat them like they're rock stars. In the end, you have to stick to your brand messaging and to create an outstanding experience for your audience, no matter if they are or they're not your clients yet. And the word that I would emphasize here is yet. Treating them as royalty will stand out your brand in the crowd. So ask yourself, if you would be a customer of your brand, how would you like to be treated? What message would you like to receive? How would you like to feel? By answering these questions, you'll start to shape your message style and you'll realize how your customer is feeling in relation to your brand, products, or services. Create a beautiful package. It's important to realize that your customer is processing the information using all of his or her senses. That is why it's important to have a nice packaging that has a good visual and it feels nice when it's touched. Just remember, how did you feel last time when you bought some phone or some shoes? Were they wrapped in plain paper or they had a nice package that they came with? When we give away books or other items, we like to do a nice wrapping and spray a little bit of perfume over it just to add a personal touch. We add to the wrapping a beautiful note, personalized. We put it into a nice envelope and we seal it with wax. A small investment that adds a mind-blowing experience to your winner that he or she will talk about for a long time. Even if a giveaway is free, even if that person is not a customer yet, it doesn't mean that you should treat this process in a superficial manner. You might say that the effort is not worth it. After all, they didn't buy a thing from you. So why should you bother? Well, directly they haven't, but indirectly and in a short term they bought you. So if you want to keep them engaged in the long term, you should bother. When you take care of these details, when you do things differently, when you create an outstanding experience, even for a free giveaway, you're creating your customer subconscious the idea that you're a serious brand that takes care of their customers. Do this constantly and you'll be the one that stands out in the crowd and they'll think of you before anyone else. Send them a notification informing them that the package left, when it should be arriving, and the number of the AWB. We usually announce our winners on Saturday, so we don't ship the prize right away. In the initial private message, we let our winners know that the shipment will be made in the days that follow. Usually that happens Monday or Tuesday, and after the package is taken by the courier, we send the winners a new message that lets them know that the package is on their way and that they should be receiving it soon. To be easier to follow, we give them the AWB number so they can track it too. So, you did everything that you could do to create a beautiful experience for your winners. If you did the previous steps the right way, the next step will come naturally. Remember that beautiful note, personalized, we put it in a nice envelope and we seal it with wax? Well, at the end of that note, we like to embed a little call to action. We write them in the note that if they consider that we did a good job, to take a picture with the giveaway, post it on their social media page and tag our brand in it. This step is important for you because it adds so much value. It lets your fans know that you deliver your giveaways in time and that you create an amazing experience. And this is social proof at the highest level. And I want this for you. Hell, you want this for you. When we started our giveaway contest, we barely had some participants. We'll see that also in this game, the giveaway game, the secret is consistency. Be patient and you'll see the results. More fans, more engagement, more leads, and eventually more sales. So let's recap. 1 giveaway, 2 private messages, 1 before shipping, one after the shipping, a nice wrapping, a personalized and perfume note, a subtle call to action, and lots of love. Next week, I'll be sharing with you my strategy to create social media posts that convert. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss it. That's it for today. I hope you found great value in this video. Make sure you comment below and let me know if you learned something new or if you have other things that you do after you're hosting your giveaway contest. Definitely share the knowledge now if you're excited. Make sure that you check other videos as well, and don't forget to visit us at www.iva-berghmann.com, where you can find lots of free resources. I put something for you in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Iva Berghmann, and until next time, all the best.